Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play against Eddy in Tekken 8. Eddy is known for his unpredictable, flowing style, often mixing up low and mid attacks. Your primary goal is to disrupt his rhythm and create openings. Focus on blocking his low attacks and punishing his unsafe strings. Maintaining a safe distance is crucial to avoid his close-range mix-ups. By understanding his stance transitions, you can better anticipate his next offensive move and turn the tide of the match in your favor. Eddy's game revolves heavily around his unique stances, primarily handstand and negativa. Recognizing these is key to your defense. When he enters handstand, be prepared for powerful mid-attacks and potential throws. Conversely, negativa often signals quick low sweeps and evasive movements. Learning the common transitions between these stances will significantly improve your ability to predict his next move, allowing you to block effectively and set up your own counterattacks with confidence. Despite his fluid style, Eddy has exploitable weaknesses. Many of his more elaborate moves have significant recovery frames, leaving him open. Capitalize on these by using quick jabs and fast mid-attacks to interrupt his longer sequences. Sidestepping his often linear attacks can create excellent whiff punishment opportunities, allowing you to launch him for substantial damage. Always be ready to block his unsafe moves and unleash your most powerful combos in response, turning his aggression against him. To truly dominate against Eddy, you must apply consistent pressure. An aggressive offense can disrupt his natural rhythm and prevent him from establishing his preferred flow. Force him to block by utilizing safe, frame-advantageous moves, keeping him on the defensive. Remember to mix up your own offense with a balanced combination of lows, mids, and throws to keep him guessing. Do not allow him to settle into his close-range game, where he is most dangerous, and you will control the match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.